Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fantastic out there. Welcome back to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming for my second ever cooking video and my first ever peach cobbler I have ever made. It looks divine. I can't wait to dig into this. The last video, if you haven't checked it out, was my first ever cheesecake I ever made in my life, and that was a Japanese cheesecake. It was only 3 ingredients. Turned out delicious, so check that out too if you can. Now I can't wait to dig into this. I do make desserts once in a blue moon, but not that often. I would suggest that you make this in moderation, maybe for picnics. It's the perfect picnic dessert, perfect dessert for summer. I use fresh peaches. I would also recommend when you get your peaches, make sure they're super ripe, because they can be hard to peel, hard to cut if they're harder, and you just don't want them to be too firm in your dessert. So I can't wait to dig into this. Let's see if it's good. The ice cream's already starting to melt, but that's perfect for me. I love that ice cream all mixed in there and just melting into it. It looks so divine. I'm gonna get some peaches too with this. That's delicious. It's just nice and warm, and you got the ice cream and the perfect sweetness, and the peaches are so fresh. They taste like I got them down in Georgia. But no, they're delicious, and this was easy to make too, guys. Like, again, if I can make this, you can make it, because I've never done a peach cobbler in my life. That is heaven, just like the Japanese cheesecake was. And that was my first ever cheesecake. This is my first peach cobbler. Delicious. It really didn't take long to make. The hardest part was probably just peeling and cutting the peaches, just because I don't do that very often. We do eat a lot of fruit here, but I don't buy a lot of peaches. So yeah, that was probably the hardest part of it. Other than that, it was so simple. And also, I got this recipe from Preppy Kitchen, so shout out to him. I love his channel. He made a homemade peach cobbler using fresh peaches. I did see some other peach cobbler videos on YouTube, but they were using canned peaches. I really didn't want to use those, but they were good recipes. And I mean, that's a great alternative if you don't feel like peeling and, you know, going through the steps of cutting each peach and getting the center out. You could just dump the whole can in. I wanted to use fresh peaches though. So, you know, I used a little bit of 2 recipes, mostly Preppy Kitchen's recipe, but he did use baking soda and I use self-rising flour. So I guess, you know, you could use either one. Kind of doctor it to your liking. You can add the cinnamon if you want. You don't have to add the cinnamon though. So it's all up to you. I saw some recipes where they did add vanilla to it also. Let me just get one more. It is so good. Again, I'm gonna have to go on another diet after this. It's like in between each cooking video so far. In between, after I made the Japanese cheesecake, I kind of went on a little diet there, and I think I'm gonna have to after this. But yeah, definitely do it in moderation. So delicious though. That's divine. Let me just see if I can get a little close up for you guys. It's so good. That is divine. Let me see if I can just get a little close up for you guys on how delicious that is. Ice cream perfectly melted into it. I love it. Yeah, best served with ice cream and best with the fresh peaches. So good, guys. You have to try this recipe out. I just love it. I don't know which one I like more. I don't know if I like this more or the Japanese cheesecake more. You know, they're both so different. But I am gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna start cooking some healthier foods here soon. So I really hope you guys enjoy those videos too when I make them. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the Japanese cheesecake video. That was definitely a delicious cheesecake, and like I said, I'm picky about cheesecakes. And this is a delicious peach cobbler. It just melts in your mouth. It's just heavenly. And I like the cinnamon. I like adding the cinnamon to it. I think that gives it a really good flavor. Guys, I think I'm gonna finish this up, but thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you and all of your support. If you haven't yet, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, show us some love and support. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you more than you know. And props out there again to all the other YouTubers, because it is work, but it's fun work. I love it. I love doing this, and I'm just hoping my channel can continue to grow. So any support would be fantastic. And I appreciate all the support so far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye.